Good evening, everyone. We hope all of you are doing fine. I'm Dr. Shreyaswini Pujari, practicing at Mumbai. So today we are going to discuss about a skin issue called eczema, which will help you understand the disease better. So what exactly is eczema? Eczema is a name for a group of condition that causes the skin to become itchy, inflamed, or have a rash-like appearance. There are 7 types of eczema: atopic dermatitis, contact dermatitis, dyshydrotic eczema, nummular eczema, seborrheic dermatitis, stasis dermatitis. Eczema is a very common condition. In fact, over 31 million people worldwide suffer from eczema. So eczema can begin during early childhood, adolescence, or adulthood, and it can range from mild to severe. Eczema is not at all contagious. You cannot get eczema from someone else. While the exact cause of eczema is unknown, researchers do know that people who develop eczema do so because of a combination of genetic and environmental triggers. When an irritant or an allergen from outside or inside the body switches on the immune system, it produces inflammation. It is this inflammation that causes the symptoms common to most types of eczema. So, what are the symptoms of eczema? The most important thing to remember is that in eczema, symptoms vary from person to person from different age group. The eczema of one person can appear different from the eczema which occurs to another person, and can appear differently in different parts of the body. Eczema is usually itchy. For many people, the itch can range from mild to moderate, but in some cases, the skin can get severely itchy and inflamed. And the itch can be so severe that the patient scratches until it bleeds. Itching makes the eczema worse. This is called the itch-scratch cycle, and the treatment is based on breaking the itch-scratch cycle. So what do you look for in a eczematous skin? In a eczematous skin, the skin is very itchy, dry, sensitive, inflamed, discolored skin, rough, leathery or scaly patches of the skin, oozing and crusting will be visible, and there will be areas of swelling surrounding the areas of eczema. In a particular patient, not all the symptoms of eczema appears. So as I already told you about the itch scratch cycle, so the patient starts itching and scratching, then it leads to redness, then it can lead to oozing and crusting. Eczema can get flared up in certain seasons, especially in winter, and in certain seasons during the summers it can reduce. The best way to find out if you have eczema is to consult a qualified medical professional, that is a dermatologist, who can examine your skin and correlate your symptoms and come to the right diagnosis. Thank you.